Hi everybody, this is Kristen from A Voice and a View, and I'm just getting on here really quick to let you know that I haven't been myself the last couple days and didn't realize what was going on, but I was bawling last night, bawling this morning for about 3 hours, didn't want to get out of bed, I was exhausted, and just haven't been myself today. And then I realized that there's been a lot of solar flares going on with the sun, and the Schumann resonance is just kind of off the charts right now. So everyone is having ascension symptoms. And if you don't know what the Schumann resonance is, it's basically like the electromagnetic field, okay, of the earth, the heartbeat of the earth. And when solar activity comes in, it affects everything down here. And that's when you see auroras. But everybody has different symptoms when that happens, and it depends on what your frequency is. You know, if you're higher in frequency than others, you might experience less symptoms. And well, not necessarily, but if you're on the lower frequencies, you're probably going to have more extreme. But everybody's different and everybody's at a different level. But you could be experiencing headaches, head pressure, insomnia, a burst of energy, you know, depending where you're at. So many things, chest pressure, heart palpitations, joint pain, back pain, sometimes even visual changes. Your body could be vibrating, and actually that was part of what I was dealing with last night. I was like, what the heck is going on? I'm sorry, I'm shaking, guys. It's a little cold out here. I was trying to get outside for some privacy. Vertigo, nausea, so many different things, and I'm sure there's more symptoms, guys, but if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, try to get yourself outside, put your feet on the ground, especially if you have vertigo or nausea. Take an Epsom salt bath, drink lots of water, meditate. You can be out in nature. I mean, even hugging a tree, it's an exchange of energy that helps balance you out. Okay, sometimes people end up going to the hospital because they have severe heart palpitations or chest pain, that kind of thing. But realize when we have extreme solar activity, we've had a lot of X flares in the past few days, which I didn't realize. I'm a little late in the game here, but that affects your body big time. And I don't experience a lot of the extreme ascension symptoms that I used to, so I guess I wasn't paying attention as much. But I will put a link below so you can look into. I'm sorry, this phone is shaking, guys. I'm a little cold out here. But I'll put a link below so you can look it up and see, you know, what it is for yourself, and you'll notice different colors, and each color means something different. But I know there was some purple that was on the picture that I saw, and that is one of the highest frequencies that comes in. So you might experience some more severe symptoms because of that. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep my phone straight here. I'm gonna put it out a little bit here so I'm not so close. Trying to be quiet because of the neighbors. So yeah, just make sure you hydrate, get out in nature as much as possible, try to balance your energies. But everybody's releasing a lot of really dense energies right now. We're releasing the old energy, the old darker energies, and they're being replaced with new. So um, we're getting DNA upgrades, DNA ascension upgrades. So, but the Schumann resonance is a very good thing to keep track of, which, like I said, I haven't been doing lately, but that will help you understand more of what's going on with you as well as the earth. And when you start noticing these symptoms, you'll know what to do. So you won't be so freaked out and won't run to the hospital every single time. And if you're having extreme symptoms, you know, if you feel like you need to go to the hospital, go. I don't know what your medical situations are, but I'm just shaking. Brr. So I'm going to cut this off tonight, guys, but I just want to let you know that I haven't been myself for the last couple days, and now I know why. So, okay. I hope you're all doing well out there. This is Kristen from A Voice and a View. Until next time, peace, love, and light, guys. Bye. Love you all.